Ah, forever we are young. Hey friends, it's Gabby and back here in front of you. And today I will be doing a makeup haul. I haven't done a haul video in such a long time. I feel like it's been months since I last filmed one. And so I'm making it up. Here I go with a bunch of makeup stuff that I bought over the past 3 months. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started with this video. I have the stuff right in front of me, like in this corner. So first thing is the LA Girl eyeshadow collection nudes. This has really nice colors in my opinion. I don't know how to do this. I'm not a makeup person, but I don't know how to use it, so that's why I haven't been using it. I tried using it, but I failed. Like, I don't know if I did it right, so I just took it off. And also my eyelids are kind of dry, so I can't put actual eyeshadow yet, but once it gets a little warmer and my face gets a little oilier and less dry, I'm gonna make a video of me trying to put on makeup using this thing as well as other products that I bought. This was for like $8. I got it at Ulta, but I'm pretty sure you could get it at any other drugstore. I would prefer buying peachy toned ones, but I couldn't find any, so I just got this. So yeah, moving on to the next product, which is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion in the shade W5.5 Suntan. But basically I bought this because it kind of reminds me of Korean products or Korean foundation. I've used it once or twice and it's pretty good. The shade is exactly my color, so I surprisingly guessed correctly on my shade because they didn't have testers in the Ulta that I went to, and this was for 16 bucks. I like it because it's buildable and it's pretty lightweight, because when I used it I completely forgot that I have makeup on and I was gonna like wash my face at the mall, because I do that when I feel like my face is kind of gunky. I forgot about it, and I when I went to the bathroom I got scared. So yeah, next is not a makeup product but a skincare product, and it's the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. They got this on Amazon a few months ago. Obviously I haven't been using it that much because when I was using it I think I broke out. I don't know if it's like coincidentally or not, but like I'm trying to use it again this month. I'll check if it like breaks me out or not, because I'm not sure. I think it's about $16. Most of these products are less than $20. This has a lot of product too. So next is the Revlon Youth FX Veil Plus Blur Concealer, and it has a sponge thing. Originally I was gonna get the Age Rewind concealer because I got this at Ulta, and the Ulta I went to, they ran out of the darker shade of the Age Rewind concealer, so I just bought this one instead. I'll buy the Age Rewind eventually when I find the shade that I'm looking for, because most of the shades there were like fair skinned, but this one is in the shade Deep Fonts. It has like light to medium coverage. Moving on to the next product, which is the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen. It's just a black brush eyeliner, and this one I got for $9 I think at Ulta. I don't like it that much. I'm using it right now. I don't know if you can see because like I'm wearing a hat plus like my bangs, but I have it on and it smudges. Moving on to this product, which is the Etude House Dear Darling Lip Tint in the shade RD302. So it looks like this, and it has a nice applicator. This one lasts long and is a little bit watery, but I like it because you get to like blend it out more. This smells really good. I really like the scent. I got it at Amazon for $10, and I will try to find it down below. I have it on my eyelids. You can't see that, of course. Yeah, I have it on my eyelids, my cheeks, and also my lips right now, and I really love this product. Moving on to the Face Shop Rosewater Bright Light Cleansing Oil. I've been having this for quite a while now, I think 2 months, and I replaced my Vanilla Co one because I ran out of it. I use it every day, twice a day, because I double cleanse, and it works pretty well. It has a light scent, but it's not super strong. I think I'll buy it again. Yeah, I do recommend this though. Next is the Neogen Real Fresh Foam Green Tea Cleanser. Probably if you're into Korean beauty, you've heard of this because this actually does wonders to your face. First of all, I love green tea. I love how it has like the green tea particles or leaves right here, and it smells really good, and I think it helped clear my skin because I used to have really bad acne. My face has changed a lot within the past few months that I've used this. I think this was for 16 bucks. It has a lot of product, but the thing is it's foam. You can't control the amount of product that you put out because like it's a pump. I will try to use a cleansing stick next time because that has more product. Moving on to the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator Prime and Highlight. I bought this in the shade Rose and it looks really good. It's a small product. Here's a hand comparison. The color is really nice. It's a rose gold. It's like natural glow, so I like it. I was originally gonna buy a powder one, but I didn't want to buy a brush, so I just settled for this one. This was for $13. I put it on my nose and my cheeks and also my eyelids this morning, but like it faded because I went to gym. Just so you know, I just came from school and I had leftover energy, so I felt like filming today. So yeah, the second to the last product is the Peri Pera Much Real My Cushion Blusher in the shade Shy Pink. This one I got from Amazon. It's like a liquid blusher. Basically, I broke it, so the sponge is like torn, so I don't use it anymore. Actually, I don't use this at all anymore because it is so sheer that you could barely see a difference of you having blush or not. I honestly just bought it because I thought it would be similar to the Glossier Cloud Paint. I didn't want to buy the actual Glossier one because it's like $20. I tried buying this one for $13 and I failed. I think I should have bought the Glossier one. I think if you're gonna use this, you should layer your other cheek tint because this one really doesn't show unless you put a ton. And this one's a little peachy, which is cute and all, but it doesn't really suit my skin tone for some reason. Yeah, I don't recommend this, but I bought it. Last but not the least, actually this is my favorite. It's the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. A lot of people raved about this and I was so curious because I was looking through Ulta and other YouTube videos regarding makeup. I'm currently investing on makeup products and I saw this and a lot of people said, oh, this is good, blah, 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 and I thought they were joking. So I tried the smaller one, which is this one. I bought this 2 weeks ago and it has this much of product left and it's actually pretty good. I really like it. Basically, it's just like it hydrates your skin and it can also set your makeup, and this feels really good on the skin. This one's for $5 and since I'm out of it, I bought the mom version recently. This one's for $12, so this one's for $5. This one's like 2 fluid ounces. This one's 8 fluid ounces. So I recommend buying this one if you're into like a lot of product. You could try this one first and then get into this one because that's what I did. I'm really happy with these, so I do recommend. So that marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me and I would appreciate it. So if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber that does fashion, lifestyle, beauty, BTS, and travel videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe down below. It's probably red if you haven't subscribed yet, but yeah, it's right down below. Go hit it. I really enjoyed filming today and I like this look on me. I hope you like it too. I'll try to make a makeup related video soon. A lot of people suggested to do it, so I'll definitely do that soon. But yeah, it's time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope you try the products. I'll link them down below if I find them. Anyway, I'm gonna go head out and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye! Life, fall in love,